they don't even consider it like that's why like they don't even take from them.
So first impression of these, I freaking love these. These look awesome. Holy crap! Like, and then the OG is right there and there. This says Nike Air right on there, and then hold on. Even says Air Jordan Retro 4 OG. And if you hear like a little kid screaming, sorry. And then they got this is I got two. I got I also have another pickup. When I go back to my house, I'm gonna show you some other pickups I got too. 5:30, got there at 6. I was the second person there. I should have got more footage, but I thought it'd be like too weird because I actually had some good conversations. There was a worker there actually who wanted to get the shoes. He was a good friend of mine. And then so the line started getting bigger and formed, and then pretty sure I think it was 9. We started getting the shoes. I was the first one. I was the second one, of course, after the worker. He was pretty cool though. He was fun to talk to. All right, well, got another Jordan 4 box here. Can anyone make any guesses? I'll give you a hint. 2 hints. First, lifestyle. It was Jordan 4 lifestyle. So now it's gonna be one of those 2. One I actually like, and the other one, I like them both, but, and then another hint, which will actually give it away. The first of the remastered series on January 2015. Only paid $100 for these at Restock Chicago. Bam, Columbia 4s. Hell yeah. Only $100 for these, and they were at Restock Chicago in LaGrange. So these are originally, they priced them for $160. Wait, actually, I got the box. Yeah, $160 right there. And so they're having like a Super Bowl sale. So I got these on Super Bowl Sunday, and I'm like, I saw this on Instagram. I'm like, Mom, like I saw these shoes. I'm like, maybe they have these in my size. I want to look around anyways. So yeah, got these, and all I gotta say, the leather's bananas on these, like freaking bananas. Look at this freaking tumble. Looks so good. Looks awesome. And it's DS. I think it's worn twice, but basically the NDS means like very near dead stock. So yeah. So why my hoodies here is because these had no lid, and when there's no lid, you know you got them, that someone got them from an outlet. And yeah, I went to a Nike outlet to get these off the hash wall, and I only paid $7 for these. Originally 100, and 30% off, and I only paid 7. How I did that was because my mom had returns there, and she helped me with it. And then then I had a gift card for these, so these just came out to be $7. I'm like, why wouldn't I get these? Just comfortable shoe, really comfortable. This shoe is this is like the shoe you go to chill, hang out, chill with it. And yeah, if you want me to do a review on this, I mean, I'll do it, but if you want me to do a running review, I will. If you want me to just do a casual review, I will. Or if you want me to do both, it's fine. But this is more like a trainer shoe, not like not like an intense running shoe, like distance, which I do. So yeah, 3 pickups from December to now. This one, regular price. Every other one, steals. Oh, I don't know if I can see that. Steals. Alright, well, thanks for watching my video. Tune in next time. See you later.